In the UK, you know, children, white girl children, 9 years of age, 10, 11, 12, young children, little children, you know, if you see someone who is 9 years old girl child, you would like to pick her up, play with her and so on, yeah? That's, no, wait, please listen. But across the UK, thousands of these young girl children, non-Muslim, white girl children, have been subjected to sex slavery. Can you imagine? Sex slavery, terrible, by Muslims across the nation. And I'm asking him, this is what we would call pedophilia, yeah? I understand. This is what, at least, you know, whether you do it in private or not, at least in public, you should say, no, you should.
Let me see, are you speaking to them or me?
And this is...
No, speak to me. Why do you have guts? No, why are
What's
you
your
not
name?
speaking?
What's your name?
Why are you speaking?
Don't be confused. Okay.
Don't be confused.
Surah 65, Ayat 4, Surah 65.
You are really stupid, man.
Surah
I
65.
haven't seen a more foolish man than you.
Thank you very much. Thank you for coming.
I haven't seen a foolish man like you.
Do you go to a foolish man? My dear friend, do you go to a foolish man to speak? Do you go to a foolish man to speak? Look at him.
To look at me and speak.
Surah 65, Ayat 4 sanctions this pedophilia. Sanctions this in the UK. I'm asking him, please listen to the question carefully.
Answering them?
I'm asking him.
Are you paid by Israel?
Who?
Are you paid by Israel?
Yeah, the facts are here. Look at this. Rochdale 2012. Come look at this. Members of the sex, 7 more men found guilty 2025. Telford 2012. I can give you a long list. I can give you a long list. Muslim, and I can go you.
People have no business.
Do you know who you're paid?
Of whom 87% were reported as being of South Asian Muslim origin. Can you see South Asian Muslim origin?